Bitter gourd in rice? I know, that sounds risky. But today I'm making a 1 pressure cooker Pudina masala rice. That balances bitterness so perfectly, nobody will complain. No separate frying. No complicated steps. Just 1 cooker. And I'll show you the 1 stage. That decides whether this tastes average or restaurant level. First, this is the hero of the recipe. A fresh Pudina masala paste. Blend 2 tight handfuls mint, 1 handful coriander stems, 2 green chilies, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons coconut, 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, and 1/3 cup water. Keep it smooth. This paste is what gives restaurant-style depth. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons oil and 1½ teaspoons ghee. Add 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 bay leaf, 1 small cinnamon piece, 2 cloves, and 2 cardamom. Let the spices bloom. Add 2 sliced onions and ½ teaspoon salt. Cook till soft and lightly golden. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Cook till pulpy and glossy. This step builds the masala body, don't rush. Slice 1 small bitter gourd very thin. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, rest 10 minutes, squeeze gently, then toss with a few drops of oil. This removes harsh bitterness. Now add ½ cup avarekai, 2 chopped carrots, 12 chopped beans, 4 tablespoons green peas. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 12 to 15 cauliflower florets. Add 1 chopped capsicum. Cook only 1 minute. We don't want soggy vegetables. Add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add the prepared bitter gourd. Sauté for 1½ to 2 minutes until lightly golden. This locks in flavor. Now add the Pudina paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw mint smell disappears. Add 3/4 teaspoon garam masala. Add the soaked 1½ cups rice. Add 2 3/4 cups hot water. Mix gently. Taste the water. It should be slightly salty. Close the lid. Cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. Switch off. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add 3/4 teaspoon crushed kajuri methi. Fluff gently. 1 cooker. Balanced bitterness. Deep masala flavor. If someone says they don't like bitter gourd, don't tell them it's inside. Just serve this.